Hey guys, today we're gonna discuss this amazing tool by ElevenLabs. This is where you can generate your AI voiceovers. And here in this tool we have these options which are available to you. The first one is speech synthesis. This is where you turn your text to a speech. For example, you have this text here which is written by a default for an example, and then on the settings you can select a voice actor. From a lot of them you can choose from this list and see which you like. And once you are satisfied with the settings, you can click on the generate button. It will generate a text to speech for you. And you also have an option now for a speech to speech. And then we have an option for Voice Lab, which is an important feature of this website. Here you can actually upload an audio of your own, meaning you can upload an audio of anyone, whether a celebrity or your own audio, you can do that. And then you can convert that audio into an AI voiceover of that person with any text you would like. Amazing, right? And now let's talk about how you can get it absolutely free. Well, there is a trick to that. And now if you click on the profile icon here, you can check the subscription option here. And then there you can see there are several options all the way to around $330 a month, starting from $0. The major difference is how many characters you get per month. For example, in the free version, you get up to 10,000 characters. And on the paid version, the first one is 30,000 and then there is 100,000 and it goes on. So basically all you have to do is whenever you run out of your credits, you have to log out of your current account, and then you need to have a new Gmail. So you have to create a new Gmail account and then you can sign up using that Gmail. For example, I'm gonna sign in with a different account with a Gmail which I have created. And now I have logged in with a second account which I created just for this purpose, to demonstrate how I can have as many credits as I would like. For example, on this account you can see the characters used are 0 and I have not used anything on this account since this is a new one. So yeah, that is pretty much how you get it for free. Whenever you run out of characters, you just have to make a new account and keep using that. This way you get to have the functionality of the paid features, but you get to save your money and don't buy the subscription. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.